Have you ever wondered how the age of automobiles truly began? The answer lies in the history of a single car that revolutionized the industry and the world as we know it. The Ford Model T. In the year 1908, an American engineer named Henry Ford introduced the Model T, a car that would forever change the landscape of transportation. It was not the first car ever made, nor was it the most luxurious or powerful. But it was the first car that truly made sense for the masses. The Model T, affectionately known as the Tin Lizzie, was built with simplicity and durability in mind. It had a sturdy, rugged design that could withstand the rough roads of early 20th century America. It was equipped with a 20-horsepower, 4-cylinder engine and could reach a top speed of 45 miles per hour. Not a speed demon by today's standards, but in its time, it was quite impressive. What truly set the Model T apart was not just its design, but also its production. Henry Ford introduced the world to the concept of assembly line manufacturing. This innovative production method allowed Ford to mass-produce the Model T, drastically reducing the cost and time it took to build each car. By the 1910s, the Model T had become a common sight on American roads. It was affordable, reliable, and easy to repair. The Model T was not just a car, it became a symbol of American ingenuity and the democratization of the automobile. In 1927, after nearly 2 decades of production and with over 15 million units sold, the reign of the Model T came to an end. It was replaced by the Model A. But the impact of the Model T was already deeply ingrained in the fabric of society. So, why does the Model T hold such a significant place in history? The Ford Model T was more than just an automobile. It was a vehicle of change, a driving force in the shift from horse-drawn carriages to motorized transportation. It made cars accessible and affordable to the average person, breaking down social and economic barriers. The Model T demonstrated the power of innovation and the potential of mass production. It set the stage for the automobile industry as we know it today, paving the way for the cars we drive and love. It was a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. In essence, the Ford Model T was not just a car, it was a catalyst, a pioneer, and a symbol of a new era. It was the car that put the world on wheels.